Good morning, children. Today we are going to solve problems on exercise 8.1. Look at the board. 8.1, 7th question. If cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, evaluate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. And second question, find cot square theta. For that, first we draw a right angled triangle and take one of its right triangle ABC and take its one angle is theta, one acute angle is theta, and given cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. What is cot theta? Is the reciprocal of tan theta. Cot theta equals adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side by opposite side. Based on this angle theta, AB is the adjacent side and opposite side is BC. So, adjacent side is 7 divided by opposite side is 8. Based on this angle theta, AB is the adjacent side and BC is the opposite side. We have to find AC, the hypotenuse of the triangle. AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square equals BC. 8 square plus 7 square equals 64 plus 49 equals 113. So AC is equal to square root of 113. So hypotenuse is equal to square root of 113. First we have to find sin theta. What is sin theta? Sin theta equals opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is, this is the opposite side based on this angle theta. 8 by square root of 113 and cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. 7 by square root of 113. Then here cot theta. Cot theta is given 7 by 8. Now our first question is 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. We know that 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus sin theta is of the form a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Here 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta is 1 minus sin square theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta is 1 minus cos square theta and substitute the values 1 minus sin theta. 8 by root 113 whole square divided by 1 minus cos square theta. What is the value of cos theta? 7 by root 113 the whole square equals 1 minus 8 square 64 divided by root 113 square is 113 divided by 1 minus 7 square is 49 divided by square root of 113 square is 113. Now we take the LCM. Numerator 113, here 113 minus 64 divided by 113 in the denominator 113 minus 49 equals, what is 113 minus 64? 113 minus 64 is 43 divided by 113 divided by 113 minus 49 is 113 minus 64. 113 minus 64, 30, 13 minus 4, 9, 10 minus 6, 49 divided by 113 minus 49 is 64 divided by 113 equals 49 divided by 113 into 113 by 64 equals 49 divided by 64 is the answer. 49 divided by 64. Now second part of our question is find cot square theta. Second, cot square theta. Cot square theta, cot theta is 7 by 8 whole square equals 49 by 64. Cot square theta is equal to 49 by 64. Next question. Question number 8 in the text. If 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not is the question. For that, first we draw a right angle triangle and one acute angle is cot A. 3 cot A is equal to 4 means what is cot A? 3 cot A is equal to 4 given. From this, cot A is equal to 4 divided by 3. Cot A is equal to 4 by 3. Draw a right angled triangle. Take one acute angle ABC, one acute angle. Based on this acute angle, what is cot of the angle? Adjacent side by opposite. Based on this angle A, this is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side. Then opposite side, adjacent side by opposite. Cot A is equal to adjacent side by opposite 4 by 3. This is 4 and 3. 4 by 3. Now we find AC. AC is equal to square root of 4 square plus 3 square is equal to 16 plus 9 is equal to square root of 25 is equal to 5. AC is equal to 5. Now we have to find cos A, sin A, tan A. What is sin A? Sin A is equal to sin opposite side by hypotenuse 3 by 5 and cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. And next one, tan A. What is tan A? Tan A is equal to opposite by adjacent 3 by 4 or tan A is the reciprocal of cot A. So sin A is equal to 3 by 5, cos A is equal to 4 by 5 and tan A is equal to 3 by 4. Now first question. LHS equals 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A equals 1. What is tan A? Tan A is 3 by 4. 1 minus 3 by 4 whole square by 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square equals 1 minus 9 by 16 divided by 1 plus 9 by 16. Numerator 16 LCM, 16 minus 9 divided by denominator also 16 LCM, 16 plus 9 is equal to 16 minus 9 is 7 by 16 into 16 by 25 is equal to 7 by 25. LHS is equal to 7 by 25. What is our RHS? RHS is cos square A minus sin square A. What is cos A? Cos A is 4 by 5 the whole square minus cos square A minus sin square A minus 3 by 5 the whole square equals 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25. 16 minus 9 is 7 by 25. So LHS is equal to RHS. LHS equals RHS. Next question, 8.1, question number 9. In right triangle ABC, right angle at B, tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. Find the value of one sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. 2 cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Read the question. In right triangle ABC, right angle that B. Right triangle, you draw a rough figure. ABC, and right angle that B. Tan A is equal to, based on this acute angle, tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. What is tan A? Opposite side by adjacent. This is the opposite side and this is the adjacent. 1 opposite and adjacent side is root 3. We have to find AC. AC square is equal to 1 square plus root 3 whole square equals 1 square. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So AC is equal to square root of 4 is equal to 2. Square root of 4 is equal to 2 units. Then sin A cos C. First we have to find, based on the angle A, the trigonometric ratio sin A cos A. First one, sin A. Sin A is opposite side by hypotenuse 1 by 2 and cos A is adjacent side by hypotenuse root 3 by 2. Based on angle A, we have sin A and cos A. Then based on angle C, this is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side. We have to find first one cos C, sin C. Sin C is C based on opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin C is root 3 by 2 and cos C is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side 1 by 2. Cos C is 1 by 2. Cos C 1 by 2, sin C root 3 by 2, cos A root 3 by 2, sin A 1 by 2. Now, first one, first question is find what? Sin A cos C, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Substitute the value sin A. What is sin A? 1 by 2 into sin A cos C. Cos C is 1 by 2 plus cos A. Cos A is root 3 by 2 into sin C is root 3 by 2 equals 1 by 2, 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 equals 4 by 4 is equal to 1. Sin A cos C plus cos A sin C is equal to 1. Second question, find cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Substitute the values. Cos A. Cos A is root 3 by 2 into cos A cos C. Cos C is 1 by 2 minus sin A. Sin A is 1 by 2 into sin C is root 3 by 2 equals root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 is equal to 0. Now, next question, that is question number 10 in the text. Question number 10. Question number 10. In triangle PQR, right angled at Q, comma, PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter and PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Determine the values of sin B, cos B and tan B. Read the question. In triangle PQR, right angled at Q. So, we draw a rough figure of a right angled triangle PQR, right angled at Q. Then given PQ 5 centimeter. Determine the PQ 5 centimeter and PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter. Take QR is equal to X. PR plus X is equal to 25. Therefore, PR is equal to 25 minus X. This PR is equal to 25 minus X. Take our acute angle is P. 25 minus X. Based on, according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to PR square is equal to base square plus X square plus PR square is equal to QR square plus PQ square. PR square is 25 minus X whole square is equal to QR X square plus PQ square 5 square. Expand this. A minus B whole square, A square, 25 square, 625 minus 2AB, 2 into 25 into X, 50X plus X square. Bring this to this side, minus X square minus 25 is equal to 0. X square, 625 minus 25 is 600 minus 50X is equal to 0 implies 600 is equal to 50X. Implies X is equal to 600 divided by 50 equal 60 by 5 12. So X is equal to QR is equal to 12 centimeter. Therefore PR is equal to 25 minus 12 is equal to 13 centimeter. This side is 13 centimeter and this side is 12. This side is 5. Now, we have to find the trigonometric ratios of angle P. Sin P, cos P, tan P is the question. Based on this angle P, this is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side. This one is the 12 is the opposite side and 5 is the adjacent side. Our question, sin P. Sin P is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side 12 by 13 and cos P is equal to adjacent side 5 by 13 and tan P is equal to opposite side by adjacent. Opposite side 12 by 5. So our answer is sin P 12 by 13, cos P 5 by 13, tan P 12 by 5. Homework 8.1, 11, 1 to 5. Thank you.